Fala, meus amigos, olha onde eu estou agora, na nova clínica do Hair of Istanbul. Quem me segue há muito tempo sabe que eu fiz uma cirurgia capilar em 2019 e foi um sucesso. Muita gente se motivou, muita gente gostou, muita gente veio aqui também, na Turquia, Istambul, fazer a cirurgia capilar. A minha cirurgia foi um sucesso, eu fiquei sabendo que agora tem uma nova clínica, tem também um hospital lá embaixo, maravilhoso. Vocês viram aqui, ó, olha que coisa linda, surpreendente. Então vocês verão, estamos juntos. Hair of Istanbul sempre com novidade pra gente e tá de parabéns. Venham, gente, venham!
Hello, my name is Silva, and I am here at Hair of Istanbul today. I am an athlete and a future personal trainer. I am also a student of psychology currently. I live in Miami, Florida. But I came today all the way to Istanbul to get my first hair transplant. I'm super excited because this is something that I've always wanted to do, but never really had the opportunity to. And also, as a woman, there's so much stigma with this type of surgery. I feel that it's a surgery that mostly men get. So I was always a little bit afraid, but I found Hair of Istanbul through my good friend and coach, Treinador Kaka. Some of you may know him. And he brought me here. He had amazing results, so I knew I was in good hands. And then when I saw the facility itself, I knew instantly that this is the place for me. They're gonna take very good care of me. And yeah, it's always been something that has bothered me my whole life. I've always had a bit of a bigger forehead. So I'm here to get the hairline filled out, and I'm really excited. I can't wait to see how the results look. And I hope that my results inspire many women to go after what they truly want, to always do what they've always wanted to do. Something more like that. So now I was waiting about 25 to 30 minutes for the spray to set in, and now we're gonna go wash my hair for the first time. So I'm very excited. Let's see how it turns out. Come with me. I just finished my first wash. They styled my hair a little bit. As a woman, it's actually easier because you could wear your hair down and it can hide a little bit. So I'm feeling much better like this. You can even wear your hair up. You can do whatever you like pretty much with your hair. You can wear it to the side. I'm liking it like this because it hides it a little more. But yeah, I'm very happy with the results. This has been a very smooth process for me. And tomorrow I have one more wash here. They're gonna style my hair again. So I'm very happy about that. And yeah, can't wait to see.